Hello and welcome to my 3D FPS Zombie course, where you will learn how to create 3D story-based games in Unity. Now, at the end of the course, you will have fully working game and enough knowledge to create as much levels as you like and also implement as much missions and quests as you want. Now, during the course, you will learn how to implement player movement, how to set our player up correctly, how to work with the shooting mechanics. We will add nice looking animated hands with a gun. After that, we will work on our enemies. We will add zombies. I will explain you how they work, how enemy AI system works in Unity. So you will have nice looking enemies. Also, we will work on the cutscenes and we will create dynamic cutscenes. And with these scenes, um, you will make any of your projects more interesting and challenging. Also, you will learn how to work on environments, how to set up your levels, how to set up your menus, and work on the UI. At the end, we will work on our audio system and lots of more. Now, this course is for beginners, and even if you are completely new to Unity and C Sharp, you can still enroll because I will explain you everything from the beginning. So, enroll now and see you there.